myself. I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell.
You got an AR, Martinez?
Yeah, I got a white one too, if you need one. Oh, footsteps
Yeah.
coming.
Oh.
See people next door at the red house. No. I have 7 health. Oh my god. Where did that come from? I got the kill for that guy.
Mine.
Now. Killed one. He's still alive. I'm trying to medkit. Try to hold it. Is everybody dead? Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. My nade, my nade.
There's an RPG. He's behind the bush, he's behind the bush. Martinez! I'm at 10.
That was a close one.
That was a close one.
Where did that guy come from?
Did they have a med kit?
They did. I have 6 kills though. All green weapons.
Show off. Show off.
Oh yeah, 2 med kits. There you go. No shield. All these people.
Hit the launch pad. I see this coming in hot behind you.
Yeah, I didn't see where he went though.
Oh crap. Watch out for the kids to shoot. That launch pad did not send this far.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.